Hi everyone, welcome to this course. In this video series, we will develop a full stack serverless task manager web application. We will build a serverless REST API deployed using AWS API Gateway and Lambda functions. The API will be written in node.js and JavaScript. In this video, we will go over the prerequisites required to follow along with this course. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to make sure is that Node.js is installed. So Node.js is essential for both backend development and installing various tools. To check if Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type node-v. So this will display the current version of the Node.js installed on your operating system. The next thing that we have to make sure is that AWS CLI is configured properly. The AWS command line interface is required to interact with AWS services. After installing AWS CLI, configure it by typing AWS configure. I'll first clear the screen. Now follow the prompts to provide your access key ID, secret key, default region, and the output format. To confirm that AWS CLI is working, type in AWS S3 ls. This command will list all the S3 buckets in your configured region. Yes, AWS CLI is configured properly. So we can move to the next thing. Next, the last but not the least, we have to make sure that serverless framework is deployed in on our operating system. So the serverless framework is essential for deploying our backend application or the REST API. To install it globally, type npm install serverless -g. Now that I have already installed it, I'll just pause this job. Yeah. Yeah, and do not worry, I will provide links to resources for installing Node.js and AWS CLI in the description section of this video. That's all for now. Let's move on to the next video where we will set up our own development environment and set up and start coding.